there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi, I'm Morgan Athanadi. Welcome to Statistics Bio 7 YouTube channel. Now we are the discuss topic Genome Diversity Index. The Genome Diversity Index has most popular diversity index in the ecological literature. Now in this video I will explain the how to calculate a diversity index in past statistical software. Let's go to the video. The data file already saved, but the past statistics file directly not opening. So just go to the past software, then go to the file menu, open, select the particular file, spider diversity index, then open. The data entry, the row attributed, just enter the species name, and then the column attributed, just enter the site. Site mean the forest, different forest, particular or particular forest site. Just already I enter the 30 species name, the data entry. The 0 means the species, particularly the site not available, so I mention the data is a 0. Just select to all datas. Now extra column selected. So very carefully selected. Then go to diversity menu, click the diversity index. The calculation is ready. Just click percentage and recomputing. The data is ready. This is a diversity index. The taxa, the available site 29, the site 28, and the site 3 27, site 4 28, and site 5 30. The difference statistical, the taxa, individuals, dominance, and Simpson, Janons, evenness, the various statistics available in the table. Then go to the plot menu, the error bar click, and the connecting line and fix area. The graph is ready. Go to the graph setting, click thick line, point simple, and fill region. Change the font menu. I use Time Roman. So search the Time Roman font. Click and font size 12. The font size change. This graph save to save as before. The change the format. Click the JPG, then save as. The file name is taxa. Save. Close. And next one plot. Go to individual. The no setting changes. So save this plot. Click. Already change the menu. So save as. The note the file name. The before we save the taxa file, so now change to individual file name. Individuals. Close. Next one, dominance. Go to setting, save as, change the file name, dominance. Save, close. And the next one index, Simpson. Click the graph menu, save as, change the file name, Simpson. Save, close. The continually the change the next index and save the regular method. Genome, save as. close. Next one, save, close, and the next one, close, and the next one, index, close, and the next one, index, close it, and the next one, save, close, and next one, graph setting, export the graph, save, close, and the next one, index, export the graph, change the name, then close, and the final one, index, export the graph, close it, then go to the number, the before our table, the site 1 lower value and upper value, the 5 site available in the table, and continuously the 5 site lower and upper value available. This graph already save the desktop menu, go to the desktop, the graph is ready. It is a very simple method for the calculation the diversity index, because the general diversity index the mostly the worldwide the calculation in diversity index, the all graph available. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, please comment. Thank you.